Alright, so as what I've said in the previous video about giving you guys something helpful, let's start first with something that would really benefit the newbies and beginners who are watching right now. So, how do we make money in crypto this 2023? So, GM everyone, this is Nomad Fury. So before we begin, kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have both in my video intro and description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. This is going to be all about me helping you get started making money in crypto this 2023. So if you're a complete newbie or beginner or just simply someone who kind of have an idea but wanted to get started right away, I highly recommend you not to skip this video from the beginning until the end. This is going to be worth it for sure. If you are a newbie who really wants to get started making money in crypto and has no to very little budget, this video is meant for you. So, I don't want to make you bored waiting for it, so let's begin. The most common and basic method for you to earn crypto for free is to become a freelancer. But the edge, however, is that as a freelancer, you can work from home or anywhere as long as you have a laptop or any device. Since freelancers are self-employed, that means you own your time. I know that this is some kind of an old school method, but still, it's very effective up to this day and in many generations to come. Way before crypto was born, these online freelancing services have already existed since the 2000s. You know, the .com era? So as you can see right here on the screen, here are some of the examples, guys, on what you can do online as a freelancer, such as data entry, data research, article writing, logo creation, forum posting, social media posting, video editing, answering surveys, audio transcribing, content moderation, community management, and a whole lot more. But what if you don't have any of these skills? Here's the reality though, whether you like it or not, the only way for you to develop these skills is to learn them from scratch. Like, if you want to become an article writer, then you should learn from an experienced article writer or just simply search them on Google or YouTube about the basics of article writing. I remember when I started my freelancing career last 2009, I was a graduating college student back then. I've got no skills. I don't know where to begin. I've got no experience. I started with nothing. Zero. Nada. But what do I have? I've got the guts and the willingness to do it. What I did was to search for some online job sites that would hopefully accept applicants without experience. To be honest, I got rejected many times. Until I found something. You know what my first micro job was at that time? Data entry and researching stuff. It's pretty easy. I just simply follow simple instructions that an elementary grader can do. The client just asked me to research and gather some info and put them all on a spreadsheet with a deadline. And you know what? I've successfully submitted the output and the client was happy and paid me some few bucks via PayPal. You know that feeling of earning your first money online? I feel great. And I know you're having that same experience as well, of the first ever money you've earned online. After that, it motivated me to do more. Then there's what we call online forum posting. It's an easy job. You just have to start or reply in a certain discussion. I've applied to take that work for 30 bucks and got accepted, even without experience. And you know what? I did it again. Because of me doing a great job for that forum posting work, 30 bucks was sent to me by the client and he eventually continued hiring me for some other projects he had until the finish. And as I continued doing freelancing jobs, I've realized that I have gained skills and experience in a certain field. The more that you're exposed to that kind of work, the more experience you will get. Because the truth is, until now, most clients are preferring applicants with experience in some certain fields. I was just lucky back then even without experience. But the thing is, you have the edge if you have the skills and experience. But of course, until now, there are still micro jobs out there that are accepting applicants even without experience at all. Okay, the question is, how can you find these jobs and gigs that are accepting crypto? Let's begin with the easiest ones out there. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to reveal is no other than Microworkers. So this is already an old micro job working site long before crypto was born. The good thing about Microworkers is that they are accepting crypto for withdrawals. So you can see right here, guys, these are some of the job names, and you could see how much are you going to earn. I know that this is a very little, but it's a great way for you to start earning some crypto for free. So guys, this is very simple. You could see that you can filter these jobs, right? Now you see right here, guys, there are so many jobs you can choose from. Okay, let's say, for example, I want to take a survey and it pays 50 cents in USD. So you can see the description: take a survey, diversity perception, assessing diversity. So once we finish this job, we will be earning 50 cents. However, guys, they have a task service fee of 5 cents, and task takes less than 5 minutes to finish. So that means to say, guys, that Microworkers is taking a cut. Like, if you have earned 50 cents, the service fee is 5 cents, so you'll be taking home 45 cents. So take note of this. Like, if you're any of these countries, of course, you are not allowed to participate. And of course, this is what we're going to expect from the workers. So all you have to do is to follow the instructions in taking the survey. So if you want to accept it, so you just click I accept this job and a form will open. And you see about the withdrawal right here, guys. I'm going to click it. So to withdraw your money, so let's say place a new withdrawal request. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. There are so many withdrawal options for you to choose from, but the one that we're going to highlight is Onto, because this is a cross-chain crypto wallet. So you could see the minimum withdrawal, the maximum that you can withdraw, less the fee, and of course the processing fee as well, which is 4%. So just like what I've said, Microworkers is taking a cut, in which they are earning it through withdrawal fees. So if you're having plans to withdraw all of your earnings on Microworkers, guys, so make sure that you have reached the $9 withdrawal threshold. So that's how it is for the Microworkers. At least I've given you one source that would let you earn some crypto for free, even for just a little amount. At least you can finally earn some crypto. Another site that I would like to recommend you guys is the good old Bitcoin Talk forum. So I have to be honest with you guys, this is where my crypto career began last 2017. I have remembered, guys, the first gig that I had right here in earning my very first Bitcoin is when I have accepted an article writing job in an esports blog. Every time that I have published an article and then submitted to the client, then he paid me to my Bitcoin wallet until that project stops. And of course, the rest is history. So you can see right here, guys, there are some jobs that are available, such as signature campaign, participating in forums. But of course, as what I have seen right here, guys, freelancers are introducing their own service. If you are a virtual assistant who is looking for clients to hire you, so you can actually post your service here. So this is an example coming from this guy right here, and I'm going to click. So you can see right here, guys, I believe that this was his very own kind of resume or a portfolio or something like that. He introduced his own services on what he can do for his clients, and also revealing his available time to work. So if I'm going to scroll down, so yeah, he has a lot of skills here. Wow. So just like what I've said before, the more skills and experience you have, the more clients that you will get, the more opportunities that will come to you. As long as the clients are happy and giving you some honest feedback, you have the edge. So this is just to give you an idea, and then let's see the replies right here. So you can see his rate, $30 per hour. So this is just one of those examples on introducing your service to the clients and get paid in crypto. Another forum is no other than altcoinstockscom. So right here in their marketplace section, so they have work for crypto. So I'm going to click on this one. So it's just the same thing as a Bitcoin talk, in which either you could look for some jobs here or just create a topic in introducing your own service to the clients. One last thing, guys. This is kind of an old website already, but it's still very effective up to this day, which is no other than Craigslist. Long before crypto was born, Craigslist is already existed, especially when it comes to job opportunities and gigs. So you could see all the details here. It's currently updated. But of course, most of them right here, guys, they pay you via fiat, bank account, PayPal or so. But of course, there are some ads right here, guys, in which they could pay you in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. Or maybe you can just ask the client if he or she can pay you in Bitcoin instead of a bank account or something like that. Nothing wrong about asking. Another free method of earning crypto is by joining affiliate and referral programs. So, as an affiliate, you just simply promote a product and earn commission for every sale or conversion. Like in my case, I have promoted a blockchain event where ticket buyers can get a huge discount every time they use my referral or voucher code. So once they have used my referral code and successfully bought it, I gain a sales commission. And of course, being an affiliate doesn't require you to invest a dime. You just simply spend time and effort in sharing this to your family, friends, colleagues, etc. When it comes to your affiliate or referral link. So the same thing goes for the referral program. Let's say you have signed up for an account on Binance. In this exchange, if you have referred someone to sign up using your Binance referral link, and every time they trade a certain coin or token within the exchange, you will get some commissions from that person. The more signups and active traders you have, the more commissions you get from their trades. Even in some projects that are under token sale, they also introduce their own affiliate programs. Like when someone participates in a token sale by registering under your referral or affiliate link, you'll be getting some commissions from that person. Same thing goes to the other crypto platforms out there, as long as they have an affiliate or referral program that is available. Another easy way for you to earn crypto this 2023 is by joining airdrops, bounty programs, beta testing, ambassador programs, and testnets. Although that this is time consuming, but at least it's free, technically free. Why I say that? Because no matter which airdrop you joined, these altcoins and NFTs require a little bit of gas fees, depending on the project's blockchain, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, and so on, for you to either transfer it to a centralized or decentralized exchange, or listing it to a marketplace, and so on. That is why I call it technically free. So one of them right here is what we call the airdrop alert. So the website is airdropalert.com. So you can see right here, guys, there are some featured airdrops, new airdrops, and some sponsored ones out there. There is also what we call the DeFi airdrops. We can earn crypto, and that includes test nets already. So let's say Aztec Network. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to scroll down about the details of this airdrop. So you could see the requirements, the step-by-step guide. Everything is right here, guys, for this airdrop. And another source is what we call the airdrops.io. And this is how it looks like. You could see the latest, the hottest, and the older airdrops. So for instance, you could see right here, the casino. So it's a testnet airdrop. So I'm going to click on that. And you could see all of the details right here. The step-by-step guide on how are you going to qualify for the Z Casino airdrop. So it's just the same thing as airdrop alert. Now let's talk about bounty programs. So we are now here on Bitcoin Talk Forum. So you could see there are so many opportunities right here in which we could earn some tokens for free by just joining their bounty programs. It's kind of the same thing as airdrop, but requires more effort and creativity from you. For example, Bounty Detective, the reward pool is almost 30k in USDT. So I'm going to click on that. So these are the details. So you could see their website and their social media channels. Take note of the details, guys. Before you're going to participate, it's very important that you should read all of its details and the disclaimer because it's really important for us to follow the rules on what they expect from us when we participate in their bounty campaign. And also very important, you have to read the general rules of the bounty. So each bounty opportunity has their own set of rules. They are not the same. You must read and take note of these rules. There are many bounty managers right here, guys. So let's say for this one, the proof of registration, the weekly report format, and of course for the bounty allocation, you must be aware of that. And of course, if they have limited the number of participants, and of course take note of their schedules and the master spreadsheet. You could see the campaign. Let's say for example, if you have Twitter, so these are the stakes that you're going to expect based on the number of followers that you have. And of course, some of the rules for each campaign. So it's really, really important, guys, that you should read these rules before you're going to participate in a certain bounty campaign. So these are just one of the many examples, guys. They will be rewarding you with their tokens for most of these altcoins. But of course, there are some that will reward you with stable coins or even Ethereum, BNB, or something like that. So it's really important that before you're going to participate in any of these campaigns, always follow instructions and take note of the guidelines and the general rules that they have. I was a bounty hunter during my early days, as a crypto enthusiast last 2017. If you really wanted to be rewarded, you must abide by the rules. And that's what I've been doing so far. So the same thing goes, guys, with altcoin stocks, in which they have a section right here, bounties and rewards. So I'm going to click on this one. And then there are child boards right here, but let's focus on these ones right here. There are some threads here in which they have the latest bounty. But of course, aside from bounties, there are ambassadors as well. So they have launched the so-called ambassador program. So for example, Renek blockchain ambassador program earn up to $80 weekly. So it's kind of flashy to our eyes, especially that you are so desperate in earning that amount. We cannot deny it. It's an opportunity. So let's say I want to click on this one. So this is what I'm talking about. Published last December 16 of 2022. So you can see right here, guys, for the rules, the program structure and payment. For ambassador programs, so there are weekly tasks as well. So just like bounty programs, it's very, very important that you should follow instructions. It really depends on what they have posted it right here. And of course, you could see the timeline and payment distribution and the disclaimer. It's all about spending your time, skills, and effort right here if you want to get paid. And if you want to search for some ambassador programs related to crypto, Web3, or stuff, so Google is your friend, guys. So let's say I want to type crypto ambassador programs list. So you could see the search results, and you could see there are some ambassador programs right here, but be sure if they're still accepting ambassadors or not, or if it's expired or still ongoing. You just have to make sure. So there you have it, guys. At least I have shared to you on how to make money in crypto for free. Hopefully that this video of mine helps you a lot, especially if you are a newbie or beginner in this space. So I would really appreciate, guys, if you are going to share this to your friends as well, especially if they have no clue on where to begin. It's all about helping one another. It's a win-win for us. So expect that I will be doing some more content like this one that would really help you guys a lot right here in the crypto, Web3, DeFi, NFT, and Metaverse space. And if you have some suggestions or ideas about the topics that I want to discuss that would be very helpful for you and to your friends, just let me know right here in the comment section. So guys, I have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video until the end? And what do you honestly think about it? Please do let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all again in my next video.